close, it's time to play. The letter K is here today, with kites and kangaroos that hop. Let's sing of K and never stop. K's for kangaroo, jumping around with a pouch in front and big feet that pound. She hops through fields so fast and free, with baby Joey as cute as can be. K is for kite, flying high, floating gently in the sky. Hold the string and feel the breeze, watch it dance with so much ease. K is for kiwi, brown and small, green inside and loved by all. Cut it open, take a bite, kiwi fruit is such a delight. K is for kale, leafy and green, one of the healthiest veggies you've seen. Crunch it raw or cook it right, kale gives you power and keeps you bright. K is for key, shiny and neat, it opens doors on every street. Big or small, gold or gray, a key helps us unlock the way. K is for kitten, soft and sweet, with little paws and tiny feet. It purrs and plays the whole day long, then curls up for a bedtime song. K is for kids who love to run, laugh and play and have some fun. Learning letters every day, singing K the happy way. K is for ketchup, red and thick, squeeze it on your fries real quick. Tangy, tasty, fun to eat, ketchup makes your meal complete. K is for kingfisher, blue and bright, flying fast like a flash of light. He dives for fish in rivers wide, with shiny wings and so much pride. K is for king with a golden crown, he rules the castle in the town. He sits on a throne, proud and tall, the kindest king loved by all. K is for knitting with yarn so fine, twisting threads in a lovely line. Scarves and hats in colors bright, knitting keeps you warm at night. K is for knapsack on your back, filled with goodies in a pack. Books and snacks and clothes inside, take your knapsack on a ride. K is cool, now you know, from kites to kings and kale that grows. Keep on learning letter by letter, with K in your heart, life gets better. So clap and cheer, give a big yay, more alphabet fun is on the way.
Kids, thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. Please like, share, and subscribe.